Let's go through the best morning stretches for beginners.
This routine is meant to be done every morning, so it gradually becomes part of your daily lifestyle.
In this first routine, the focus is on stretching and strengthening the lower back.
You'll just need something nearby that you can place your hands on for support.
Look around your room, find something stable, and follow along.
Start by getting down on all fours.
And perform the cat-cow stretch.
This movement helps stretch the mid-back, especially the thoracic spine.
It plays an important role in maintaining good posture throughout the day.
Helping you stay upright as you get older. Instead of slowly rounding forward.
This next stretch can be done while sitting on a chair or a raised surface.
Lean forward and allow your upper and lower back to fully relax. The goal is to release tension and stiffness, particularly in the lower back.
Since we are already working on the lower back and hips, let's move into a full hip stretch using this position.
This helps loosen tight hip muscles that often contribute to back discomfort.
The next stretch is known as the puppy pose, using a wall.
This is one of the most effective stretches because it opens up the front of the body while also releasing tension in the shoulders.
Building on that movement, we move into half down dog.
This is a modified version of the downward facing dog.
It does an excellent job of reducing tightness in the upper back and shoulders, making you feel more open and relaxed.
Now we reverse the movement and shift into an extension exercise.
This stretch targets the front of the body, especially the hip flexors and thigh muscles, including the deep hip flexor.
This area is often tight from sitting too much, and this stretch helps counter that.
Next, we return to the hips for a figure 4 stretch.
This movement helps open the hips and release built-up tension that affects the lower back.
After that, we move into a standing quad stretch.
This stretch is included mainly to support better posture.
Tight hip flexors are very common, and this exercise helps restore balance in the pelvis while also improving your walking mechanics. The final stretch, and one of the most important, is a gentle twisting movement for the lower back.
Many people ignore rotational movements, but they are essential.
For many individuals, this stretch can be a powerful solution for reducing lower back pain.
Find a comfortable spot on the floor and perform the twist slowly and carefully.
Before you move on, make sure to take action and practice this routine consistently. Small daily habits like these stretches can make a big difference in flexibility, posture, and long-term back health.